Another location found.
It's a beautiful place, right?
Yeah, it is.
We have 10 acres out there, so
10 acres? Oh wow.
Absolutely. And then there's a really cool art exhibition too that's up inside of the house, like through those main doors. You can check that out. It's by Perical the artist. And then you guys need a restroom too, down into the sunroom on your left. Yeah.
We're out and about, guys. We are out and about. Another location found. We found another spot. So this is the Lakewold Garden. So if you're ever in the United States and you're looking for a peaceful place, cool, chill, forestry scenery, this is the spot to be. They have several trails and we're on them now. It is cold. Come here during spring and summer. Here we are, guys. Another location found. This is the Lakewood Garden. So if you're in Washington State, please pass by. The forestry is amazing.
But you gotta pay to get in though.
It's not free. Yeah, it's not free. This beauty is not for free. It is cold. Please come here. Please come here during summer or spring. If you come during fall, that's a risk, but it is cold. Today is what, January 2023, and I am cold. The sun is out, but it is chilly outside. I don't know what the temperature is today right now, but please come during the summer, spring, or fall. Do not come during winter, because I would love to be here during winter though, when there's snowfall, because I feel like the snow on the trees would be super pretty. The green against the white would be amazing. Concludes our tour for the Lakewood Gardens. Please pass by and check it out. It has a very beautiful scenery. It's chill, it's cool, and it's quiet. Let's go home to the next location eventually. All right, guys, this concludes.
Peace out.
We're checking tour guide.